All those, and I haven't seen a buck now for 8 days.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe we shouldn't put this stand up. Here we are at Venison Village. There's the fire pit.
Don't come here, yep.
There's Uncle Bubba's little shack. There's the big lodge. The meat pole. There's the little outhouse that we truly love. Looks like we're heading down to the condo area now. Jesse in full command, and you got the little man, and you got Deb and the little man. They're going to be upside down now. I gotta watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna get wiped out by a... Just around the corner here is where we shot the world's largest deer. Oh my God, hey, did you ever eat that?
Oh, it's still in the freezer ready.
Well, we gotta save that for camp. Just, and not tell Dad about it, but just cook it up some night.